你好，我是菲利，一个土生土长的中国人，很开心你和我一起学习汉语。I've taught English at a private university, and I've also worked with students of all ages at the training school. I had a master's degree in English, Term 8 certificate, and Mandarin certificate. I love reading, singing, playing the piano, ukulele, go skating, and traveling. I've also had the pleasure of working at a global resort, where I taught Chinese to colleagues from all over the world, including countries like France, Canada, Indonesia, South Korea, and India, and so on. I have 2 years of Chinese teaching. It enriches my experience of creating engaging and effective lessons according to individual students. And I love to incorporate fun activities and games into my lessons to keep things interesting. I'm excited to share my love of language with you and help you achieve your goals. So just book my course and join me in the classroom. See you there.